Huh, today this corn, cut around. Otherwise you steam corn cakes. Corn cakes steamed up or tender cakes. Ah, scrape the kernels off. This part is a bit hard.
If it's hard, then so be it. This steamed baba is delicious.
Yeah, it needs to be sweet. Sister, I'm going to peel the corn for a bit. You take the leaves and use some water to wash them.
Okay.
This corn is too tender, cannot be broken off by hand. All are like.
Told me to wash the corn husks. I will just wash the pot quickly.
It has arrived. If the pot is done, I will come and push. Good to go. Sister, have you washed the pot yet? I have come to push.
It's washed, come quickly.
Coming. Push these portions of corn out. It hasn't dried yet, it seems to be like paste.
If it hasn't steamed yet, just slowly add a little cold water and it will be fine.
Oh, there are also some. This tender corn pushed out. Is this fresh and fragrant? Fresh and fragrant taste. The more fragrant, the fresher. This corn cake must be eaten once a year. Right when the corn first comes out. This fragrance was quite pleasant to smell.
That very first batch is definitely the most delicious.
Ah, that fresh and clean fragrance taste. This corn paste feels so satisfying and smooth. Okay, it's ready. Yeah. Put it down. There's so much, I'm afraid one pot won't be enough to steam it all.
No worries, if it doesn't all fit in the steamer, we can fry it.
Isn't this just putting it for a bit longer? Alright, cover it up and let it steam slowly. Sister, make the fire a bit bigger.
It's burning up, this fire is roaring nicely.
Let's see if it's done yet. It's done. Sister, bring the chopsticks over. Look how nice and satisfying this is.
Yeah.
Eat the fresh corn cake.
This morning turned out so nice and cozy.
So satisfying.
This smells so fragrant and delicious.
Yes. Yeah, this one must be fragrant. It tastes tender, crispy, and soft.
Yeah, this tender corn cake is delicious.
This time it just came out. This newly picked and newly ground. This is definitely delicious.
It's so delicious that I even want to eat the corn husk along with it.
Then why don't you eat the corn husk together with it? Then why don't you eat the corn husk together with it?
Sister, this is so delicious. The two of us are afraid we're going to finish eating all of these.
After we finish eating, we'll go back to the fields to get some more to make.